Today we're going to be doing a quick motivational build video for the Eggtimer Apogee. It had been a while since I'd soldered, so we wanted to sort of get a kit to refresh those skills. My kids, as you'll see in other videos, also wanted to learn to solder. And this kit cost about the same as the Learn to Solder kits that you can see. And this will leave me with the durable rocketry capability. So I went ahead and decided to do this before soldering some of the more advanced Eggtimer kits. The instructions are really thorough. Most of the parts are through hole. You see here, there is a couple surface mount. They go into detail on how to do the surface mount. You sort of tin the pad to start with, then you tack it down, then you solder the one side, then come back and finish soldering the other. So I will say if you're into rocketry and you want to start doing electronic deployments, this is a really cost-effective way, and I think there's no reason to be afraid of soldering. I think you'll have good success with it. Just make sure to grab a decent soldering iron, and the solder that's included with the kit is top-notch, and really makes the whole process a lot easier. As far as testing and being sure that you put it together right, there is some power-on self-test and beep codes. You can also get a USB to serial connector to allow you to connect it to terminal to see how the altimeter is doing. And then here in a second, we're going to perform a vacuum test. You'll see once the vacuum stops pulling, that detects Apogee, and boom goes the dynamite. Look for this guy in upcoming launches. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.